Hey guys, my name's Scott Lawrence, and today is raining. We are planning to meet up with Nathan and maybe Will, I'm not sure, but we might not because it's raining, so that kind of sucks. I'm going to Nathan's house right now, see if he's there, and we'll see what's up. Alright, so Nathan couldn't hang out, still no word back from Will, so I'm just going to get some clips by myself, and if no one does anything today, maybe I'll just restart, or just continue whenever it's sunny again and everyone can hang out. So here's some clips of me riding. Got the camera propped up here and up on this hill, so it'll be long shots. I'm gonna have my big tripod this time, so this is the best we got. I just realized my flash is on. Much better. Alright guys, I think that's all for today, unless the rain stays off and Will calls me or texts me back. But I'll see you later in the week. Alright guys, so it's the next day, and we're out here at the post office. You can see mailboxes and stuff around. There's this ledge. You can see my reflection in the window. Hi, vlogging me. But, yeah, there's this ledge over here. Oh god, I almost fell. Yeah, this, like, super steep curb that I tried to drop down. If you watched my last video, you would have seen me do it. And, so yeah, we're gonna mess around with that and just explore around here a little bit and, see what we can find. It's still a pretty gloomy day, but the roads are kind of wet, but there's enough dry patches, and over here is dry enough that yeah, we can skate here. There's all these old and new mailboxes over here. It's pretty cool. Some of them are open. There's nothing in them though. So we're leaving that spot, and we're gonna look around and go find something else. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions about any of my stuff or how I ride or whatever. Or if you want to leave a suggestion for future videos, I could really appreciate that. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.